I just want you to read this question, right? This is a different question, different kind of question. The concept is still the same, right? I'll show you the concept is still the same. You'll still be dealing with ratios of speeds, but the idea is here they're asking you to find out the length of the track, right? And this is a question that actually appeared in CAT 2020 in my slot, so I know this question very well. Right? Like, I think this was the first question that appeared in my paper at least. So this was asked in CAT 2020 slot 2. Or let's just start solving, okay? Because you'll have doubts and that will also take some time to clear. See, it says that in a car race, car A beats B by 45 meters. Okay? Car A beats B by 45 meters. Now they're asking you to find out the length of the track, which means that it's not known, right? So let's say the length is L. See, if car A beats B by 45 kilometers, can I say that the distance traveled by car A is L? In the same time, the distance traveled by car B is L minus 45. Can I say that? Right? This is the same thing that we did in the previous question. And obviously, since it's the same time, can I say that VA by VB is nothing but L upon L minus 45? Right? Again, let's see what the second statement says. Car B beats car C in the same race, right, which is conducted over this length L. Car B beats C by 50 meters, 50 kilometers, right? Which means that if I just write down the equation directly, can I say that VB by VC is also L upon L minus 50? Can I say that? Right? This is my first condition which is given. This is my second condition which is given. There is another condition which is given which says that car A beats B, A beats C by 90 kilometers, right? So if A is beating C by 90 kilometers, then obviously VA by VC is also L upon L minus 90, right? Now you know three things. So VA by VC is known, right? Now think about it. How can you solve for L? You can only solve for L if you have equations in L only, right? VA by VB is known, VB by VC is known. Can I multiply these two equations just like the previous question to get VA by VC? Can I multiply these two equations to get VA by VC just like we did in the previous case? Right? If you multiply these two, what do you get? You get VA by VC is nothing but L into L, which is L square, upon L minus 45 into L minus 50, right? This is what you get. But you also know from the third condition that VA by VC is this. Here, where have I taken VB as L? That's a different race. If three people are running a race, let's say A, B, and C, A reaches here, B is here, C is here, right? When A wins. Now, won't B and C also continue running? या फिर वो वहीं पे रुक जाएंगे? They will also continue running, right? So when they continue and B reaches here, C reaches some point here, wouldn't B have traveled L? Obviously, if B is beating C, B is L. These are two different conditions, right? Now, so you multiplied VA by VB into VB by VC to get VA by VC, and then you again the question itself provided you VA by VC. Obviously, VA by VC to same ही होगा. Can you equate these two? These two? Can you equate these two? So let's do that. If you equate these two, LL gets cancelled, right? What do you get? You get L into L minus 90 is L minus 45 into L minus 50, right? This is what you get. Let's multiply. L square minus 90L is L square minus 95L plus 2250, right? L square gets cancelled. I'll just solve it here, okay? So 5L becomes 2250, which means L becomes 450. Clear?